Oh, hello there. May I have that orange juice in your hand right there? Oh, sorry, I would, but this is the last orange juice I have. Due to your failure to give me your orange juice, I will now turn into a firearm. Stop your roommate. Fine, you can have it. Good, you have come to your senses, my good friend. Hello. Hello there. May I please have your cherry cream soda? Oh, I would, but this is my last one. You should not have said no to me! I acquired a cherry cream soda! No! So therefore, I will make a... That's not me, I'm sorry! Ah!